Hello, my wonderful viewers. In today's class, we shall be looking at these exponential equations. We are asked to solve these equations. The first one is x raised to power 1 over 3 equals to 5. Now, the first thing you have to know is that whenever you have a value that is raised to power 1 over 3, something like this. So what it simply means is that it simply means cube root of x. X raised to power 1 over 3 simply means cube root of what? X. So in that case, since this side is having cube roots, in order to eliminate cube roots, you have to take cube of both sides. So I'm going to cube, take the cube of both sides. So in that case, I'm going to have s raised to power 1 over 3 raised to power 3. That's what's meant by the cube. Equals to, so we are doing the same thing to this side. That's going to be 5 raised to power 3. And I'm going to have, okay, let's this 3 cancel this 3. Then we have s raised to power 1, so which simply means x. Then 5 raised to power 3, which means 5 times 5, 25. 25 times 5, 125. So s equals to 125. That's our final answer. Moving on to the second question. The second question says 3x raised to power minus 1 over 2 equals to minus 27. The first thing to do is to check both sides if you have things in common. And what do we have in common? 3 can go here, 3 can go here. So in that case, we are going to divide both sides by 3. Then in that case, I will have 3s raised to power minus 1 over 2 all over 3 equals to minus 27 all over 3. Then 3 will cancel this, 3 will cancel this, we have minus 9. Then I'll be having s raised to power minus 1 over 2 equals to minus 9. Now, normally s raised to power 1 over 2 is the same thing as square root of x. It's the same thing as square root of s. So in that case, if you remember here, when we have s raised to power 1 over 3, we said since raised to power 1 over 3 means cube roots, then we should take cube of both sides. Here, since s raised to power 1 over 2 means square roots, then we are going to take square of both sides. So take the square of both sides. So we are going to have x raised to power minus 1 over 2. Then you put it into brackets. Then we have the power of 2. Then since we are taking square of both sides, we also have minus 9 into brackets raised to power 2. Then these two will cancel this. We have s raised to power minus 1 equals to minus times minus, we have plus 9 times 9, we have 81. So we are going to have s raised to power minus 1 equals to 81. Now, s raised to power negative 1 simply means 1 all over s raised to power 1. So, and s raised to power 1 is the same thing as x. So I'm going to leave it as 1 all over x equals to 81. The next thing is to cross multiply. So if I cross multiply, I'm going to have 1 equals to 81x. That is x times 81, 81x. Then the next thing, in order to make x the subject of the formula, I'm going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of s here? The coefficient of s is 81. So I'm going to divide both sides by 81. I'm going to have 1 all over 81 equals to 81x all over 81. 81 cancel 81. Then I will be left with 1 all over 81 as my final answer. So the final answer is s equals to 1 all over 81. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Maths Made Easy with Onifade, and also like, share, and comment on my Facebook page at Maths Made Easy.